I love to switch up the wreaths at my cabin, and I was just gifted this 18-inch boxwood wreath, so here's how it looks up close. One thing to remember after it arrives is to gently fluff it up and shape it so it looks its best. Shipping can make it a little squished, but once you do that, it really fills out beautifully. It's really nicely made, the leaves are full and lush, and it even comes with a built-in hook, which is always helpful for hanging right away. The simple green base is perfect if you want to add your own seasonal touches like ribbons, flowers, pine cones, or little pumpkins. You can really get creative here. I like that it's versatile. You can hang it on your front door, porch, or even indoors. And it works all year round and adds that classic farmhouse charm no matter the season. So this is definitely a staple to have at your home. You can dress it up or you can just use it as is. Definitely check it out.